Do you think Tractor Supply is only for chicken farmers or tractor drivers? Completely wrong. I just raided this store and discovered a shocking truth. This is actually a gold mine for anyone looking for durable, cheap, unique items. In the next 20 minutes, I will bring you 20 masterpieces under $20 that you won't find anywhere else. We have items with yellow clearance tags reduced by up to 75% and small but mighty accessories priced at just a cup of coffee but lasting a lifetime. Especially be patient until the end of the video because item number 20 is something unexpected but has an extremely sensitive ability to repel mice, protecting your home for just a few cents. Don't take your eyes off the screen because we're starting the deal hunt right now. Alright, after wandering through the prelude, let's head straight into the tool maze area of Tractor Supply. Trust me, if you're the type of person like me who enjoys the feeling of always having something to twist open or illuminate in your pocket, then this is paradise. The first item I want to introduce is the JobSmart Mini Flashlight. It's small enough that you can hang it together with your car keys. Don't let its tiny appearance fool you. I once had to change a tire in the middle of the night on a highway without a single street light, and it was this glowing lipstick that saved the day. Its brightness falls within the range of 100 to 150 lumens, enough for you to see every detail in the engine compartment or under the car. The plus point is the extremely durable aluminum alloy casing. I dropped it on the concrete floor several times and it only got a few scratches. However, the downside is that it uses AA batteries. If you keep it on the brightest setting continuously, the battery will start to drain in about 2 hours. I recommend you buy an extra pack of backup batteries at Tractor Supply as well. The total cost won't even reach $10. If you're hesitant to carry a heavy toolbox, then this is the answer. This multi-tool costs only around $7.99 to $12.99 depending on the sale. This one is made of stainless steel, has pliers, a knife, a screwdriver, and even a bottle opener. Compared to the high-end models priced at $50 to $60, this JobSmart achieves about 80% of the performance but costs only the price of a lunch. Holding this knife in your hand, you will find it a bit heavy and bulky compared to the fancy Swiss models, but it is precisely that heft that gives me peace of mind when I need to apply strong torque or cut through tough ropes. It's not for display, it's for heavy-duty work. Have you ever been annoyed because the remote control or the hairdryer uses some strange screws that the screwdriver at home doesn't fit? A set of 20 to 30 screwdriver bits, complete with flat Phillips and Torx heads, the kind you usually have to go to specialized stores to find. Don't wait until you need it to buy it. Throw it into the car's glove compartment and you'll thank me one fine day when a tiny screw on the dashboard suddenly comes loose. I am extremely impressed with this. The tape measure is about 5 meters 16 feet long and has a very strong magnetic end. When you work alone, the magnet at the end of the tape measure will stick firmly to the metal surface, allowing you to measure accurately without needing someone to hold the other end. The only downside is that the retractable spring of this budget line is a bit harsh. When retracting the cord, you should be careful or it might hit your hand painfully, but at the price of $11.99, I have nothing to complain about. There is a reason why I always choose to buy tools at Tractor Supply instead of other retail stores. It's their warranty policy. Some product lines from JobSmart or Ground Force have extremely reputable warranty policies. If your item has a technical defect or malfunctions under normal usage conditions, you just need to bring it to the store. I once used a pair of pliers and it got stuck. In most cases, if it's still under warranty, the staff will immediately exchange it for a brand new one without any complicated procedures. That's the essence of Tractor Supply. They sell to the working class, so they place a high value on trustworthiness. Hey guys, you've been so enthusiastic in sharing. If you find the information useful, don't hesitate to give a like and subscribe to the channel. Your support is the fuel that keeps me going to hunt for more great deals. Don't go anywhere because the next part is the soul of today's video, the bottles of divine solution that I call multi-purpose wizard. Having gathered all the tools now, we will step into an area where the scent can make anyone who loves leather and wood addicted. Let's explore the products with up to 14 different uses in the next section. Welcome to the most mind-bending part of today's video. If in the previous section we talked about tangible things in this section, I will introduce you to two liquid secret weapons. Believe me, this is an area where if you don't have insider knowledge, you'll walk past it 100 times without even glancing. But once you know, you will want to buy a whole barrel to stock up. The sixth product on the list is a jar of moisturizer, usually priced around $12 to $15. At Tractor Supply, they display it next to the horse riding gear section, so most of us think, well, I don't ride horses, so why would I buy it? You won't believe it, but this $12 jar of cream is the fountain of youth for all your leather items at home. I tried using it on my old dusty and dry leather shoes. The result? The cream penetrates deeply, softening the leather fibers, instantly making the shoes shine as if they just came out of a high-end maintenance shop. Do you have a cracked leather wallet, or is your leather sofa losing its elasticity? Don't waste thousands calling for a service. Just a small sponge and this bottle of cream, everything will be as soft as noodles and smell like new leather, extremely pleasant. It is not sticky at all, absorbs very quickly, leaving a perfect protective layer. Right next to it is a bottle of wood preservative solution. Usually we think it's only for brushing on fences or barns, right? Completely wrong. I have a longtime carpenter friend, and he revealed that this is the best, most affordable item to prevent termites and rot. Especially with the humid weather or erratic rain and sunshine, this solution creates an extremely strong chemical barrier, making the wood 3 to 4 times more durable than usual. I tried applying a layer on the wooden table outside. After the downpour, the water did not seep into the wood fibers, but instead formed perfectly round droplets like those on a lotus leaf and then rolled off. The feeling of seeing my item being protected is just something else. This is the part that made me exclaim, wow, when I delved deeper into these two items. Don't just consider them as skincare or wood care products anymore. Think of them as survival solutions. Here is what I have directly experienced and gathered from the veterans at Tractor Supply First Rust Prevention for Scissors and Pliers. Apply a thin layer to the joints and rust will never have a chance to invade your tools. Secondly, quick shoe polishing, better than using regular shoe polish. Third, waterproofing for fabric hats/cowboy hats. Comfortable in light rain without worrying about getting your head wet. Fourth, insect repellent. The scent of some wood conditioners is highly effective in repelling termites and ants. In addition, it also helps to refresh car interiors. Plastic dashboards or old leather seats will shine again immediately. Protecting shovel handles and hammer handles helps prevent wood from cracking or breaking when working under the sun. Another use is lubricate the zipper. Is your jacket zipper stuck? Rub a bit of moisturizer on it and it will be as smooth as new, and countless other uses from polishing brass to softening ropes. You won't believe that this $12 cream can make your old rusty shovel look brand new. It really is an unbeatable deal in the under $20 price range. What do you think? So surprising, right? If you find these tips useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Your support is the motivation for me to continue exploring these fascinating corners at convenience stores. Please share this video if you know someone who is also struggling with a pile of old stuff at home. Goodbye to these liquid witches. Let's move on to a much noisier and cuter area. If you have a puppy, a kitten, or even a flock of chickens, then the next section is for you, where $5 can keep your pets happy for a whole week. Leaving the dry tool area, now let's step into the softest part of Tractor Supply. If you have a puppy or a kitten at home, be prepared for your wallet to automatically open here. Why, you ask? Because pet supplies here are not only cheap but also so durable that it's unreasonable. First, I have to mention the Retriever treat line. Guys, I've never seen my dog lose its spirit like that until I opened this bag. Every time I pick up this $7.99 bag of treats, even if he's sound asleep in the far backyard, he'll dash straight into the house at lightning speed, skidding on the wooden floor, just to wait for a small piece of the treat. The toys here are usually designed for hunting dogs and herding dogs, so they are incredibly tough. I bought a solid rubber ball for $7. My dog, a true destruction machine, has been chewing on it for 3 months and hasn't lost a piece yet. Compared to the colorful toys at the supermarket that cost $5 and are ruined after just 2 days of play, this is truly a destructive bargain. It sounds funny to include a bucket in the list of pet supplies, but trust me, these colorful plastic buckets priced around $5 to $9 here are something every pet owner needs. I use them to store food toys and even as mini bathtubs for the big cats. It is thick, durable, and can withstand impacts very well. At professional pet stores, a branded kibble container can cost you $30, but here, a similar bucket with a tight lid costs you less than a third of that amount. And this is the part you need to take note of. At Tractor Supply, there is a secret called clearance yellow tags. When you see bags of treats or toys with a yellow tag on them, that's when the party starts. I once scored premium treat bags originally priced at $10 for just $2.99. Look down at the bottom shelves or the carts at the end of the aisle. That is often the refuge of items that are about to go out of season or change their design. The quality is still 10 out of 10, but the price is just like selling and giving away. Never underestimate the power of a $5 bag of treats. It can turn the most stubborn dog into an obedient angel in just 3 seconds. Done with the treats for the bosses, now let's turn back to taking care of your own home and garden. Let's move on to the outdoor category, where we will find items that will make you look as professional as a real gardener without spending more than $20. All right, we just left the pet section. Now let's move on to the outdoor and household goods section. You know, there are things that big companies like Home Depot or Amazon jack up the prices for just because of the design label or trendiness. But at Tractor Supply, they care about, is it usable, is it durable? If the answer is yes, its price will be extremely reasonable. The first item I want you to see is the Ground Force gloves. Don't go to the mall and buy those colorful gloves for $30 to $40. The reality is this pair only costs around $12 to $15. It's so thick that you can handle thorny rose bushes or clean up a pile of broken bricks without worrying about scratches. I use these to carry rubble for a garden landscape for 2 whole days over the weekend. It feels snug on the hand, doesn't trap sweat thanks to the breathable fabric on the back, but the palm is extremely durable. You guys just trust me, buy 1 pair of these and it will last as long as 5 pairs of the fabric ones from the market. If you're looking for a pair of boots to wade through, mud wash the car or garden without wanting to spend half a day's salary, here you go. A pair of hunter boots or a well-known brand on Amazon can cost you $100, but a basic pair of rubber boots here costs just under $10. I tossed it around in the trunk, waded through the mud, and blasted it with a high-pressure hose to clean it. It remains intact, not leaking a single drop of water inside. The rubber here is thick, not the thin recycled plastic kind. At Tractor Supply, they sell maintenance spray bottles with huge capacities but very affordable prices, usually under $10. You know, lawn mowers, garage doors, or gate hinges that squeak? Just spray it once, and it's as quiet as can be. Don't buy the mini bottle at the supermarket, get the large bottle here. Calculating the cost per milliliter, you are saving about 30% compared to buying it individually outside. This is for the wives. Garden stake lights here are extremely diverse, priced at only about $4 to $12 each. To be honest, its brightness is not comparable to electric lights. Don't expect it to shine as brightly as a stadium. But to create a romantic pathway at night, it's just perfect. Choose the metal ones instead of the completely plastic ones. Under the harsh sun in Hanoi or tropical regions, plastic will become brittle and break after 1 season, but the metal casing at Tractor Supply is much more durable. I really love the galvanized tin cans here. The price is only around $15 to $18. Don't go into decor stores and buy this for $50. Come over here and grab one. It can be used as an ice bucket for barbecues and also as a rustic planter. It doesn't rust. Looks very rustic. And the longer you use it, the more beautiful it becomes. Hey guys, we've gone through 17 items already. Have you found something you must have yet? If you do, don't forget to give a like so I know I'm on the right track. And hey, don't exit the video just yet because the last 3 items are the real deal, especially item number 20, which helps me get rid of those pesky mice from the warehouse for just a few dollars. Subscribe to the channel now if you don't want to miss this secrets. Now take a deep breath because we are approaching the most thrilling part. I will show you how to read the codes on the shelves so you never overpay, and of course reveal the last 3 top-notch items in today's list of 20 under $20. Congratulations on your perseverance until this moment. This is the moment I reveal my strongest trump cards. Not just cheap stuff, but unbeatable items that if you don't know how to check the tags, you'll let them slip through your fingers in the blink of an eye. Normally, this set costs around $35 to $40, but if you know how to pick the right clearance sale, you can snag it for $19.99. It includes sockets, a ratchet handle, and basic screwdrivers neatly organized in a sturdy plastic case. I always toss this set under the car seat. One time on a picnic, the car's battery terminal was loose. While everyone was fumbling to call for roadside assistance, I took only 30 seconds to fix it. Its steel quality is not cheap and flimsy. It feels extremely solid in hand. This is a larger item that is often on sale for under $20. Don't underestimate it just because it looks small. It can inflate a flat pickup truck tire to full pressure in just a few minutes. The machine is a bit noisy and gets quite hot if run for a long time, but as a backup for emergency situations, this is the best investment I've ever seen. This is exactly what I promised at the beginning of the video. You don't need to buy traps or environmentally harmful poisons. Mice absolutely hate the strong smell of mint. A bottle of concentrated essential oil at Tractor Supply costs only around $10 to $15. How to use: soak a cotton ball and throw it into the corner of the warehouse under the car or in the engine compartment. The mice will pack up and leave your house immediately without leaving any foul smell. I applied it to the machinery-filled warehouse at home, and the effectiveness was 100%. A tip for you guys is that when you see the yellow tag, take a close look at the small number in the corner. If the code ends with a number, 97 or 99, that is the first discount price. But if it ends with 93, that is the final price, the lowest possible, usually a 75 to 90% discount. Usually Tractor Supply will start deep discounts on Wednesdays or Thursdays each week. Be sure to time it right to be the first to clear the shelves. You see, smart shopping is not about buying cheap stuff, but about buying quality items at the best price. The lineup of top-notch items has already aired 20 pieces, but the video isn't over yet. In the final part, I will guide you on how to sit in Hanoi or anywhere else and still hunt down this pile of goods right to your doorstep. Let's take a look. So we have together named and pointed out 20 masterpieces under zero at Tractor Supply. You see, sometimes the most durable and useful items are not found in flashy shopping malls, but right on the dusty shelves of a farm supply store. Among the 20 items, which one impressed you the most? Has anyone tried my mouse-repelling trick with peppermint oil? Yet please leave a comment below so we can discuss it together. I will try to answer everyone's questions. If you find this content practical and it helps you save quite a bit of money, then don't forget. Like this video, click subscribe and turn on the notification bell next to it. Share it with your fellow enthusiasts of technical gadgets. Your support is the motivation for me to continue on the journey of hunting for the next treasures. This video is based on personal experiences and information sources at the time of filming. Prices and promotional policies of Tractor Supply may vary depending on the region and actual time. The use of preservatives or essential oils must comply with the manufacturer's instructions. We are not responsible for any losses arising from the purchase or improper use of the product by the viewer. Thank you for watching until this moment. See you in even more intense deal hunting videos. Bye-bye.